Amazon must-have bathroom gadgets and bathroom supplies for dental care, cleaning, self-care, and personal hygiene, starting with this cool gadget for self-care. Take relaxing in the bathtub to a whole other level with this LED light you drop in the bathtub. This is a TikTok made me buy it. Amazon must-have with links below my description. My favorite bathroom supply for self-care is this amazing body polish. I'm obsessed with this brand. I love that it comes with a little spoon. This body polish leaves your skin feeling so silky and smooth. And this conditioning body cream is the best bathroom supply you need for self-care. It goes on like butter, but doesn't leave a greasy feeling on your skin. This is an Amazon deal today, linked below. And slip into these cozy slippers. I love the open toe so your feet don't sweat after a hot shower or bath. This is an Amazon deal today, under $20, linked below. A must-have bathroom gadget for cleaning. I love this soap. It comes out in a flower and is so cute. A TikTok made me buy it item. I keep it in my guest bathroom. Amazon must-have with links below. So this Amazon must-have bathroom gadget is actually a toothbrush holder. It has an adhesive so you can mount it anywhere, but this is also a perfect gadget to hold a razor or stay on top of your dental care with an electric toothbrush because you can easily get to the plug at the bottom. This bathroom gadget for cleaning your bathroom sink will change your life. It is so small and so simple, but an Amazon must-have bathroom gadget you can't live without. Wow, never get a clogged drain again. This silicone soap sleeve is an Amazon must-have bathroom gadget for personal hygiene. The silicone sleeve makes your soap last longer, and the design is really great to clean under your nails and exfoliate your skin. I love this bathroom gadget to store and organize your makeup, and it also has an LED light that is adjustable. This is the perfect bathroom accessory to stay organized and keep your bathroom clean. When it comes to dental care, this bathroom gadget is an Amazon must-have for dental hygiene. Who has time to floss every day? This Waterpik comes with several attachments. The speed is adjustable, and cleaning your teeth every night is so fast and easy. Amazon must-have with links below. And this Smart Mouth mouthwash is the best mouthwash to get rid of bad breath. The two solutions don't mix until you pour them together. Rinse twice a day to keep bad breath away for 24 hours. Amazon must-have bathroom supply linked below.
That was fast. But here is some more Jolly Goodies to watch. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a deal.